We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
What's up, Jordan?
What's up, guys? My name is Jordan. I'm pumped. What's up, guys? Welcome to 2018. Of course, you guys already knew that because it's been 2018 for a couple weeks now.
Almost a month.
Took some time off to rest and reconvene, and think about our ideas for this coming year. What's gonna happen this year? Mark my words. If you want, you don't have to.
Take a deep breath. You smell it? I got a stuffy nose, so I can't do it as well. But
It smells like deodorant, Kevin. Mostly because your armpit is in my face.
I put a lot of deodorant on this morning.
Yeah.
It was one of those mornings where I was like, this is gonna be a big day. So the more you kind of like gauge the success of the day based on how much deodorant you put on. It's like a few passes. If that makes any sense.
So what's today, like a 6 on the deodorant scale?
It was a pretty important day today. It was our first video back in like a month. So
it is. And
it's first video of 2018.
We've got some cool stuff planned. We are on our way to a super secret business event.
Yes.
That we can't really show you too much about.
We're actually not allowed to film anyways. Like, you can't film in the event regardless, so.
Which is a bummer because it would have been cool to show you the stuff that we are looking into, but we are going to make the most of it and give you guys a good time. So, we're going to head over there. Commence epic roadshow B-roll. Now. Alright guys, we made it.
We made it to our official business trip, I guess you could call it. So we're gonna go do some research. And like I said, we're not allowed to film in here. So beautiful Long Beach.
The big things are happening, guys. Big things are happening. We're going over here because we want to greatly up our game this year. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to bring you guys in with us for security reasons, but once we are done, we will catch up with you guys again, and we got some cool stuff planned for the rest of the day, and we will bring you guys on. It should be an epic day.
All right, we're gonna get some B-roll afterwards, so you guys can see some sweet B-roll.
Alright guys, so we're out here in Long Beach, California. We're pretty excited about, we're pretty pumped about all the stuff that we learned. It's gonna really, I think, help drive what we want to do in the future with our channel and what everything we're involved in. So that's pretty cool. This year we wanna pump out more content for you guys. We already have things in the work that's gonna help us out with that. We're gonna try to stick to at least 2 uploads a week. It's probably going to be a little bit of a rocky start at first, but once we get in our stride, it'll be a little bit more regular, like good content, and then hopefully we can kind of increase the content as we get our flow going. we're not just a car channel, but we want to become kind of a car lifestyle or automotive lifestyle channel, so we can show you cars, but also the things that car guys and adventurous like us like to do. Track days, we wanna come through with you guys with the Mustang versus the WRX, which I'm hoping is gonna happen soon within the next couple of months. More events, more traveling, so we can show you car-related things, but also more lifestyle. So
this year we also want to focus on making more of a connection with you guys and building more of a community out of the people that we already have watching, and then we don't want this to be a strictly one direction content flow. We want to be able to communicate with you guys on just more often.
What Kevin's trying to say is we want to grow this channel with a very big community aspect. We want to give back to you guys to thank you for the support that you've given us. We want to provide sick, entertaining content. Okay.
All right, so we're heading back to the cars currently. We're gonna close it out, and
I think that's a wrap here for Long Beach.
Whoa!
Oh,
I thought we were ending this, Jordan. What happened?
we're just getting started, guys.
Well, we're about halfway through. We got started a while ago, but this is probably about halfway through the video.
Part 2 of the video.
We can't end it. We couldn't end it just with after that. Well, Brett came over to hang out with us. We're gonna get some food and just see what happens. Maybe hang out a little bit. But yeah, so let's do that. So we have walkie-talkies. I'm gonna put one under Brett's seat in his car, and Jordan's gonna have the other one in his car, and he's gonna start talking on it. We're gonna start freaking Brett out.
So I'm gonna be in my brother's car, and then Kevin's gonna be with you guys in Brett's car, and we're gonna see what happens.
What do you think about these guys, Brett? Kind of weird, huh?
Yeah, dude. Seriously. Seriously, that's the guy. What did you just say?
Did you say screws loose?
I'm gonna put that in your video. Oh, wait, what? Are you sure that was your phone? I hear it over here.
What?
Did you guys prank me?
No!
Wait, are you guys doing something?
No. When you opened the door, you jumped so bad.
Oh, you said it. I didn't hear anything, but like...
Dude, it's coming from like...
Maybe.
Did you...
Is your...
You guys do have a stupid ass radio in here.
What? Wait, what happened?
Where'd you put it?
I was out.
Engine?
I couldn't. No, I was out the window. I didn't hear anything.
That was Jordan talking just now, dude.
What did he say?
He was like, something northbound.
So parked at 49.
What the? See? Oh, that's my phone. You guys are so... I'm pulling over and getting it out.
No. Wait, I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
don't know where I am. I'm driving us straight into the ghetto.
Is he?
Dude, he put a freaking... Kevin, drive.
Wait, I don't know.
He's straight up. Oh, here, you roll the other ones. Ready? Pop, 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 pop. Did you get that?
Some sick pops, dude. Oh my gosh.
Alright, good. I'm kind of lost. I forget where I'm at. Parthenia.
Where are we going?
I need to be on.
What are you looking for?
Dude, where? Dude, it's behind. It's under the seat. Jordan, where's the alarm button? Call. Call.
I don't want to hear anything, dude.
He's... Jordan, come in. Jordan. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what did he say?
He said radio check. Radio not checked. You gotta pass through TSA to get in this bad boy.
Alright guys, so hope you guys had a good time watching. Thank you for joining us again. We forgot to close out the video, but it was kind of a late night. We just hung out a little bit more. And I gotta go to work now. So we will catch you very soon in the next one.